clinical laboratory, let us say you go to check your fasting blood sugar. To check fasting blood sugar, you go to a laboratory, and that laboratory, let us say his measuring system has some error. So instead of normally your sugar level is, let's say, 110. Normally your sugar level is, let's say, 110 milligrams per deciliter. But this laboratory declares it as 140 milligrams per deciliter because of some error in the system. Now, for a normal human being, fasting blood sugar should be between this. 85 to 115 means you are okay. You are a normal person. You are not a diabetic. But if you get a result like this, and this result goes to your consultant, your diabetologist, doctor only sees this. When the doctor sees this, what is his interpretation? Your original value actually is only 110, but because there was error in the system, it was declared as recorded as 140. Okay, doctor knows 85 to 115 is normal. What will be doctor's interpretation? What will he say? He will start medication. He will start, okay, diabetes, you have just been a diabetic, so let us start a small. So, wrong decision. That is the second objective. Understand how measurement system can impact your output. So, it will impact. So, wrong decision taken. Normal person is declared a diabetic and he is taking medicines, or vice versa. If it shows very low, let us say it is 140, your original is 140, but the laboratory reports 110, both are wrong. So, this is the problem. A good part declared as rejected or a rejected part declared as good, both are detrimental, wrong decisions. So, that is what is the second objective. We are going to do some exercises today to understand how measurement system variation can impact output, and that is where we lose money. Lot of wrong decisions are taken. In fact, that is why MSA, we are actually, from the next quarter onwards, we are promoting lot of MSA program in healthcare, because in industry, if you have MSA problem, one product lost, one claim from customer, some money loss. But in healthcare, if it is a mistake, gone, life, no, that value is very high. So, MSA according to us is more important in healthcare than in manufacturing.